Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit blog post layout on Wix. Let's get started. So in order to do that, you first need to have a blog website. So you can do this on a store website or for portfolio website or anything. It needs to be on a blog website or at least a website that is integrated with the blog option. Now in here, you can see the blog and in here, you can see the post. So click on that post right here. And then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see all the posts that you have published. So in here, I have lunchtime, kids, and daily mom clean. So for me, I'll just edit this one and we will actually change what it looks like. So in here, you can actually use AI to create a title. And this post is about lunchtime, so it's create a title. It is also very good if you want to actually brainstorm what way you want to add on your body. So for this one, let's put in 10 quick and healthy lunchtime recipes for this professional. So click on use text right here. As you can see, it will be added right here. Now on the text, it totally depends on you on what you want to add in here. So you can just add however you want to be. So for me, I'll use ChatGPT for this one. So this is just because ChatGPT is quicker and it can help me generate text. But if you're creating a blog website, it is actually recommended for you to make your own blog. So for me, I'll just add in here, write a blog about this. And then it will generate me all of the things that I want. So you can just wait for this to finish loading. And once it is finished loading, we can actually copy this one and head over to our Wix website in order to integrate this to our blog post. So in here, you can see everything. Let's just head over and then copy all of these things. So let's copy this and then let's put it on our post just like this. So in here, you have a blog. Now, if you want to change the layout, what you can do is you can actually use all of these things right here that you can imagine. So for example, you can bold, you can italize, you can underline, you can also change the font size as well as the text style and add some quotations right here, bullet lists, and everything. You can also add in images if you want. Now, once you're done with everything, just click on publish right here. Once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see it on your website soon. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.